Welcome to our channel Tech Curry. In this video we will learn how to install virtual keyboard on Raspberry Pi Raspbian operating system. Let's get started. Here in this video we are going to install these two virtual keyboards. 1 Florence. 2 Matchbox Keyboard. Florence keyboard can be installed on Raspbian OS by running following command in terminal. sudo apt install Florence. Let's do it now. After installation we can run Florence virtual keyboard as shown here. Similarly, Matchbox Keyboard can be installed by running following commands from Raspbian terminal. sudo apt install Matchbox Keyboard. Let's install Matchbox virtual keyboard now. After installation, Matchbox Keyboard can be used as shown in video.